Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about the face speech recognition. So first of all, we discuss the speech recognition, how to recognize the speech, means voice into text. So I am opening my uh, Google, so you can check it out. The speech underscore recognition library. So you can download from here, and I will update the my Git account. Just copy and press. So you can see the library for the performing speech recognition with supportive for the service engines and APIs online and offline. You can work in this API online and offline very easily. So I am creating one simple program. So first of all, I am opening my terminal. So you can check it out. I am opening my terminal. So let's doing on the pip install speech underscore recognition. Okay. First of all, you install the library. I have already installed the my dependency, so I cannot not match out the recognition. So you can check it out the library. Pip install speech underscore recognition. After installation, you can check it out the how to create the one simple program. So as you know, what is a speech recognition? Speech recognition, also known as the automatic speech recognition, ASR, computer speech recognition, or speech to text, is capability which able a program to process human speech into written format. So you can check it out after installation library. We are going to create one simple algorithm of speech recognition. Now we are creating one simple program after installation. Import. First of all, I am saving in, this algorithm in my desktop x.py. Import a speech recognition. After import library, you can check it out. See, now I will mention the microphone camera, and you can see the step by step how to. So you can check it out the spelling. Mention the s. Okay, just s. After initialize the s, we are assigned the one variable sr equal to s dot recognition. Recognizer. Okay, then you print what do you print? Print hello, speak now. Okay, now we are going to the function of the with s. Open the with s microphone. So you can see the we are mentioning that now microphone of the laptop or your hand free set. So assign the variable audio, assign the audio SR, as we are mentioning the audio, and syn m. Okay, then query. What the query? Assign the query equal to sr dot recognizer. So you can see the assign the query equal to the recognizer. What kind of the recognizer of the audio of your mention the voice in system underscore Google audio. Now print the query. After uh, all thing will be done, after code will be right, and now we are going to the running. So you can see the I am assigning the desktop, and we are going to the desktop and run the algorithm. Now we are speaking now. Hello, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. So you can check it out. Now we are speaking now. Hello, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. It's not spelling correct. Then we obviously we are trying to our best, more accurate. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.